everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Melanade Beauty, where I show you the ins and outs of my interior design style and home decor projects. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, as well as clicking the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming videos. I would just like to apologize for my absence. I know I haven't been uploading as much as I used to, but that is because I have been busy mingling in other activities such as picnics. Shorepicnics is a luxury decorating picnic service. We set up beautiful picnics for any occasion, whether it's a proposal, birthday party, company picnic, you name it. So if you are local and in Maryland, specifically on the Eastern Shore, be sure to book us for your next upcoming event. I'll leave all the details down below. And as for today's video, we will be decorating for the fall, which is my favorite time of year. I love the fall, I love the colors, I love the weather. It's just amazing. My favorite time. It's gonna be just the focal point of the living room, which is the TV wall with my faux mantle, which I'll be showing you a little transformation I did on that. So yeah, I've been really busy trying to create content for you guys, as well as balancing my business. And it's been fun, a little hectic, but still fun. So I'm just really glad that I can finally get on here and show you guys some new things. And also, before we start the video, I just want to say thank you so much for the support and the comments and everything. We've reached over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I am so grateful. So I really want to thank all of you guys. All right, and now let's go on and get into this video. First, I'm going to show you how I transformed my mantle. So I found inspiration from Pinterest, and I've decided to paint my mantle black. It's very Scandinavian-like, except for this video, we're going to be adding a few fall items, and I just think it's going to completely transform my living room. So first, I'm going to start by removing all of the decor from on top of the mantle, and I'm going to get rid of the African decor for the time being. I just want to really clean it up a bit and make it very sleek. So the top of the mantle was very dusty, so I just cleaned it off and prepped it before painting. I've actually had this mantle for a while now. I found it on Facebook Marketplace a few years ago, and I can't remember the amount I purchased it for, but at the time I had a complete different interior style when I first got it, and now it's just time for something new. So I'm just using a Mr. Clean eraser to clean up any scuffs and marks on the wall before I begin to paint. And I'll be using this Krylon acrylic latex paint in flat black. I purchased this from Lowe's, as well as this paintbrush that I already have. And I'm not gonna do anything special. I'm just gonna go right in and start painting. So here is the new and improved mantle, and I love it. The black really brought out its imperfections, which is great. It makes it look more worn in and vintage, and I'm obsessed with it. Now, before you say anything, I am aware of this very ugly cords hanging from my TV. There's absolutely nothing else I can do with it. I've played around with it. I've tried every single thing. Unfortunately, the TV cord is too short and the cable cord is too long. So it's just, I have like the Wi-Fi box in this bottom box on the shelf, and this is pretty much all I can do to hide it. So I've been collecting a few items over the past few weeks for the fall, including this beautiful rug from Target and these pumpkins. This is one that's from Joann's. I love the natural texture. And these little mini ones are from the Target dollar section. And they're actually very cute, nothing cheesy. And here is a super cute magnolia throw blanket, as well as this big fluffy plush one. I'm actually going to be using this one for the bedroom, but that will be for another video. I'll be styling my bed with new fall decor, so stay tuned for that. Here I also have some books in different colors for the fall. This basket is also from Target in this natural texture with the black accent at the bottom, as well as this rattan planter. And yeah, so I'm gonna just mix and match. I probably won't use everything that you see here, but we're just gonna see what we can come up with. And with just a few changes, this space has completely transformed. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. And here is the final look. So much for watching to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for the next video, which will be decorating the bedroom for fall. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and make sure you hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos. I have a lot of great ideas that I can't wait to share with you guys. So until next time, bye! So I keep killing